everyone, it's me Tushna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another DIY studio one board, and this time the material I use is very limited. You guys can easily make at home. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. This first DIY you will need a copy, brown sheet of paper. Now cover that copy with that sheet. Take a glass of water, fork, acrylic white paint or any paint you like, and a brush. Okay, so guys, you see clearly what I am doing here. You take a paint and paint it beside the fork. Now stamp it along it vertically as well as horizontally too. And repeat the same steps. Second DIY, you will need a sheet of around 20 into 6 cm and some pattern prints of around 5 cm each. Now stick that pattern paper leaving a gap of 1 cm, and here that's it, easy bookmark is ready. For this DIY, you will need some old CDs. Now place a CD in a order like it will come like a moon shape. Now cut it out. Draw a star on a piece of paper and then trace it on that CD and cut it out. Although they look beautiful, but they are so time consuming, so I think for the another way, take a cardboard or a thick sheet. Now cover it with foil paper and cut out some stars. So for hanging, you will need a wooden stick or pencil. Now tie the threads and arrange the moons and stars. Stick it with clear tape, and yeah, that's it. And a beautiful wall decor is ready. For this last DIY, you will need some old newspaper and fold it like so, what I am doing here. Now you have to cut it out all the edges. Now take one paper from it and with the help of a toothpick roll it out and make it a stick. You can see what guys I am doing here, like this and so. Need 8 such sticks and arrange in the order like this, what I am doing here. Now making it more secure and be last long, you need to take some glue and add some water. Now apply it all over the frame. And leave it aside for dry some time. After that you will need a jute thread. This is totally optional if you want to decorate more. You can add beads, but I think for this jute one, and tie it. That's it. Now also making this thread more secure, I think to apply white nail polish to the ends. Now you guys can trim out the sides. That's it. Our frame is ready. Now you can add some pics by using paper clip, applying hot glue gun to it and stick it to the frame. That's it, it's ready. So hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. It's totally free of cost. And yeah, main thing, press that bell icon and share this video as you can, because I'm coming up with many excited videos. So yeah, that's it for